Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and this is my protective case for my Nintendo Switch Lite from JETech. I love having this case on my Nintendo Switch because I have butterfingers and I'm always dropping things. But thankfully, with this protective case, even though I've dropped my Switch quite a few times, nothing has happened to it yet. And I believe it's because this material is made of TPU, so it's very strong and durable. I love how comfortable my fingers feel because of the way that it goes with the curves of your Switch, and I can still enjoy the beautiful yellow color of my Switch because the case comes in clear. If you have children, you definitely want to protect the Switch. The Nintendo Switches can be quite a pricey item, and children are always dropping things on accident, so definitely save yourself a headache and get a protective case from JETech. It's going to do such a good job of protecting your Nintendo Switch from drops. That's my point of view.